As a self-confessed professional hopper, I feel that I am the perfect person to teach you how to hop. Hopping involves standing on one leg, normally a leg that is attached to your body, and then leaping into the air on it and landing on the same leg. That's hopping. After thoroughly explaining hopping to you, I think we are now ready to begin hopping ourselves. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to stand up. Oh, it's incredibly frustrating because I've just sat down. What was I thinking? Why did I do that? Okay, I'm standing. I'm up now. From here, the next step will be to balance on one leg. You can use the nearby air around you to help you stabilise. Once you're successfully balanced on one leg, then you're going to want to leap up into the air as high as possible. Preferably, you want to go through the ceiling, but don't worry if you don't quite manage that at this early stage. So now that I've successfully explained to you how to hop, I'm going to now give you a visual demonstration of what you should be aiming towards. So I'm just going to position myself in a safe space that I'm able to hop in. This looks like a good space right here. And from here, I'm going to balance on one leg. Okay, and now I'm just going to hop in the air. I decided to hop onto the ground that time because I just wanted to see what would happen, because I've never done that before. Normally I hop into the air and I just tend to stay in the air. So this was a welcome change. I'm now going to try hopping at a slightly different angle to see if that affects anything. So I'm going to face this way this time. Here we go. I'm ready to take off. Here we go. I'm spinning. Help me. As you can see, I went for a spinning hop there, and that's quite an advanced move, so I'd recommend only doing that once you master the basics. The final hop that I'll be showing you today will be the hop forwards, and that's quite a useful hop to learn, particularly if you like travelling. So in order to perform this hop, again, we'll need to do what we've done before, and that is to balance on the one leg, and then you're going to want to leap forwards instead of upwards. And I'll show you exactly how that is done right now. Just getting the balance. Okay, and then from here, you're going to want to go forwards. Just like this. Set, and then jump. Ow, my retinas. Hopefully now with this tutorial, you'll be successfully hopping yourself. If you find that you're still struggling to hop, possibly because you do not have enough strength in your legs, or the gravity is too strong in your area, then why not try hopping on the moon instead? You might have better luck there. Now I'm going to go and continue practicing my hopping until I reach an absolute elite level. Now my personal record of consecutive hops in a row is 78,694,324, and I'm feeling confident that I can beat that now. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to catch you all later, and I'm going to beat this record. So, see you. Oh, I've sat down again. I have to get up. Why did I do that? I should have just kept standing. This is the hardest part. Oh, there we go. I'm out of breath already. I don't know if I've got that many hops in me. Oh well, let's give it a go and see what we get to. Okay. Alright. One. Oh, my fallopian tube. Oh.